Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can enable or disable the Leo AI chat window in the Brave browser. So let us dive into this. So guys, head over to the Brave browser, and there's no way to remove the Leo AI chat feature per se because it is a built-in feature, but you can disable its icon and hide it if you don't want to use it. This is how you can do it, guys. What you want to do here on a Brave browser is click into these three lines in the top right, select settings. Inside your browser settings, navigate to appearance, and here guys click into customize your toolbar. And then to the left, disable Leo AI. As you can see, if I disable it, the Leo AI feature will disappear, or icon will disappear. There's also option number 2. You can right click into that icon and choose hide Leo AI icon. You may navigate also to its settings by clicking into this option and then remove the Leo AI icon from the sidebar, for example, from the context menu, and so on and so forth. And in the final step, also clear your conversation history here on clear Leo data. That's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.